Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be doing some stamping on my stubby nubbins. They have not grown out yet. I did cut them off January 1st. Since then, I don't know, I've had some bad luck. They're staying short. The pinky I did file down so it wasn't the oddball. My thumbnail, well, I'm not going to part with it. I did file it down, but that's the best I'm going to do with it. On my hands, I have on first by Sinful Colors called Play Hard. They're nail hardener. Love this stuff. Just can't find it anymore. I also have their base coat, First in Line. Can't find this anymore. Then I have the lovely China Glaze in Purple Panic. Love, love, love. Love this color. I've got a few little scratches and divots and marks in here, but we're going to stamp right over those, so I'm not going to worry about fixing them. I'm going to be using the Bundle Monster, which is now Maniology. It is Paula's Passions BM-XL216. I'm going to be using this image right here, even though this image is calling to me. Wanted to use this one too, but the three just aren't going to match. So we're going to stick with this one right here. I'm going to pause and I'm getting everything set up and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. I'm sorry I was gone an extra long time. I had a coughing fit from you know where. Okay, I'm ready. I have everything set up. I have my Maniology scraper, which is super tiny and cute. I have got my cute little, Maniology ice cube stamper. Sticky, cute, and we're ready to go. Got my lip roller and my remover off to the side. Oh, I need stamping polish. I'll be using some black. It'll be nameless. We're going to go in here, cover our image. This is going to look so cute. So cute. There we go on paw number 1. Yes, I know I called it a paw. I do that from time to time. It's just me being cute. Hope you can see this well enough. Kind of wanted to add some bling, but I don't think bling and this would go together. I don't know. Does bling go with everything, ladies? Nikki, Diana, where's my sis at? She'll know. She'll know. Here we go with image number 2. There we go. We got some excess on the side. My tape is MIA. Shoot, guess we got cleanup to do. That I'll be doing off camera because that may take me a minute. Was going to use the tape method on camera, but I'm not prepared to do cleanup on camera. I have my cleanup brush, which I don't have out because, like I said, wasn't prepared to do it on camera. Was not prepared. Scrape your image, get all the excess polish off. Roll it across your nail. Yeah, we got a lot of excess on the fingers, that's for sure. This is where liquid latex comes in handy, ladies. Very handy. Didn't get that out either. I'm batting 1,000 this morning. No cleanup brush, no liquid latex. I don't know what's going on here. I thought I had it together. Here, I just wanted to stamp. That's all I was worried about. So the stamping. Clean off your scraper, or yeah, you might clean off your scraper too, but clean off your plate in between each use. Whether if you use acetone remover, clean off your stamper in between each use as well. Yeah, got a lot of cleanup to do. I'm a messy little girl. Never claimed to be anything but. Okay. Here we go for our final nail. There we go. Definitely a lot of cleanup to do. More cleanup on my nails than on the plate. Good gracious. So always put this one, nice cube stamper comes with the lid. Always keep that on to protect the stamper so it's not getting full of hair and lint and dog hair and everything else you can think of. Like I said, clean your scraper. Get your cotton ball. Wipe it across. Keep this clean. Lasts forever. Let's set those off to the side. Discard my paper towel. This is where I'm going to pause and do cleanup, and I will be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. I have done my cleanup for all my nails. I think this turned out really cute. This is some nice nail art for some stubby nubbins, and I have stubby nubbins. I know the way to call it. They are short. You know they're short. Oh look, see when you get your stamping polish here, you know you got short nails. Ain't no other way to call it. I mean, I'm messy, yes, but they're short. Here's the cleanup brush I use. It is by Wet n Wild. I get this at, I want to say, the Dollar Tree. Great cleanup brush. So now we've got the cleanup done. We've got our stamping done. Neon's dry matte. Purple Panic is the neon. And please excuse me, I'm parched. I have to take a drink. Take a drink if you need it. Excuse me. Neon's dry matte, so I'm going to stay within that theme. I'm using Pure Ice Frost Finish. Don't know if you can see the bottom of that at all. But yeah. Got this at Walmart. Frost Finish. Give it a good shake before you use it. Especially because it's a frost. I had Sally Hansen's go. I guess it went bad on me. It excuse me, on the first, it always did it first or second nail. It would turn, oh my god, what would it do? The rest of the nails would turn out great, but the first or second nails would get cloudy, like. They just didn't look right. I guess it went bad, so I threw it away. Since I have come in with the Pure Ice, and I've got, oh lord, I've got another brand, but I can't think of who it is right now. Can't think of who it is. Anyway, so we're going to come in with this. Wipe your brush off real good. Don't wipe it out on the outside of the bottle. That's how they get gross. And just wipe it real good on the inside. Take it once down the center, once down each side. Back down the center. Cap your nails, ladies. Do not forget to do that. That protects against water getting in there and lifting your polish all up and getting it all jagged. It protects against chipping. When you are cleaning the house, when you are doing dishes, any sort of items like that you are going to be coming in contact with, you know, liquids, cleaner, such, wear some gloves. Best advice I can give you, it protects way better than a Topcoat. That one's just way too short to cap, so we'll leave that one. Whoops. There's my whoopsie for you, Sassy. I think it's the only one I had in the video. So we've applied our Pure Ice Frost Finish Matte Top Coat. Those are going to, that one's going to take a minute because I put so much on it. Those are going to take a minute to dry down. I think this looks really cool. With, a lot of people think because, oh, I got short nails, there's no kind of nail art out there for me. Well, for a while now, I'm going to be doing short nail art on this hand. Probably at least once a week. I don't have any reviews coming up that I foresee. I take that back. I do for Models once I receive it. So other than that, I don't have any reviews going up. So I'll be able to do more nail art. I have my She Modern Saturday series. She Modern Saturday series every Saturday. Nothing will change that one. So Tuesday and Thursdays I also upload. So there's 3 times a week. So subscribe so you get notified of all future videos. Click that bell. The bell guarantees notification 3 times a week. If you just click subscribe, I appreciate it, but you're not going to get all the notifications. You want to click the bell. It'll greatly help me out. It'll help you out getting your videos so you can see them. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my mani for today. I should put a gloss over it and see how that looks too. I'm really curious. I think I'm going to do one nail. Should be my thumbnail because it's the longest, but I'm going to go with my ring finger. Again, wipe your... Don't just go like that, because then you need to go like this. Dab that brush in there. Get just the amount of polish that you're going to need. Don't get where you need over an abundance of bead, because you don't need it. You just need for one nail. So it's going to take a minute for that to dry down. That was Pro F Quick Dry. Love, love, love. Can't find this anymore either. Everything I love I can't find anymore. So here's my mani. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you have any more suggestions for short nail art, let me know, because we could always use them. You never know, I may feature that on my channel on a Tuesday or a Thursday. We'll see. But I'm always open for suggestions if there's anything you want to see. I think this turned out really nice. And I'll call it a day. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.